Good morning, guys. We are here at our very unfinished cabin here at Iron Horse Acres, and I received a super awesome package that I've been waiting on for a long time. It is my very first Ipsy Bag. Yeah! I have no idea what I'm getting myself into, and I do not do makeup stuff, so here we go. You know, you would think, having been in a band, that I was super duper good at makeup stuff. Woo! But honestly, I just winged it. But I decided to do something for myself, so here we are. Okay, cool. It's so super cute! Ah! I'm so excited! And I don't know if this is part of the Ipsy bag, but I got this cute little brush. Woo! Liquid eyeliner. Yay! If anyone knows me, they know that I love my liquid eyeliner. Eyeshadow palette. Air dry cream. I've never used that before, so it's gonna be fun. And last but not least, oh shoot. It says context. Hide your heart lipstick. So we're just gonna, hopefully this all goes together. You would think that they sent you crap that went together, you know what I mean? Let's start. Okay, so I'm going ahead and getting some of the basics done for all of our, sake. With my crafty little, just off the shelf Walmart makeup right now. But I'm just trying to get us ahead of the game so we can get into some of these new things that I got. We gotta do the whole boop, boop. I have a little mirror down here, by the way, in case you guys didn't know. Get back in there. Also, plug for my super cute little hair clips that I made. You can get those at ironhorseacresmarket.etsy.com. Oh, it's so cute! Yeah, I think we can do that. This is my new brush that Ipsy sent me. And I'm probably pretty positive I put makeup on backwards. But I think that it's to each their own. And moving on to the eyeshadows. I love this. This is awesome. I mean, normally I mess up and I have to start over. No. My little Walmart special. And last but not least, we have this here lipstick, which is really dark. I'm really kind of interested to see how it goes with the eyeshadow. We'll see. I will say that this lipstick, the context, tastes and smells like a crown. Okay, so this was our end result of our first March Ipsy bag with our new brush. I never could tell. This is Complex Culture eyeshadow, or context lipstick that tastes like Crayola, and our Araceli, I don't know if I'm saying that right, liquid eyeliner, which I loved. And I have not had the pleasure of using this yet, but as you can see I have curly hair, so I'm really excited about it. It's a Cool Wind air dry cream, so I will let you guys know how that is too. But all in all, I think Ipsy did pretty good. You guys be sure to like, subscribe, do whatever you need to do on whatever platform you're on. And follow my page, Iron Horse Acres Market. You can find us either Facebook, Instagram, or you can look at our Etsy shop where you can buy a lot of the items you see me wear. Thank you guys. See you next time.